Hello and good afternoon, all. I got a story out of BC that shows that Joe Biden cares nothing but the rule of law or protecting the judicial branch. But before I get to that, I'd like to thank all my return viewers and subscribers. And if you like what I'm doing, please check out my other videos and see if you like my channel as a whole and subscribe to it. Now on to the story. DOJ silent on abortion protests at justice's home despite federal law prohibiting pickets to influence case. There have been no arrests of abortion activists despite federal law prohibiting protests with intent to influence a court case. Come on. The Department of Justice is remaining silent on the continued protests by abortion activists outside conservative Supreme Court justice's home, despite a federal law that makes it illegal to attempt to influence federal officials and the outcome of a court case. The pro-abortion protesters are targeting the private homes of six Republican appointed justices after last week's uh, after the leak of last week's draft opinion signaling SCOTUS's intent to overturn Roe v. Wade. Not even Nancy Pelosi is doing it, and they did firebomb a clinic, a church. So it's clear that these guys are violent. They are probably also allies with BLM and Antifa. They should be labeled as terrorists on the scale of Al Qaeda. Federal U.S. Code 1507 states that any individual who pickets or parades with the intent of interfering with, obstructing, or impeding the administration of justice, or with the intent of influencing any judge, jury, witness, or court officer near a U.S. court or a building or residence occupied or used by such judge, juror, witness, or court official will be fined or penalty not more than 1 year, and they never said how much the fine was. Yeah, these DOJ cares nothing about um, following the law. Despite the language including in the federal statute, Attorney General Merrick Garland has not issued a public statement addressing the protests outside the Conservative Justice homes. And the Department of Justice will not respond to Fox News requests for comment. According to senior fellow at the National Review Institute and Fox News contributor Annie McCarthy, the Biden's DOJ is being silent on this for the same reason the White House is elevating their political interest in portraying the Baptist voters' opinion as extreme over their constitutional duty to execute the laws faithfully and protect both the court and justices. Yeah, they don't care about that. The left, don't mean liberals. Liberals, true liberals, can actually have a conversation with. The leftists don't care. All they want is their way. I would note that months ago, when Attorney General Garland unjustifiably dispatched the FBI to investigate parents who were protesting the inclusion of racist and anti-American materials in school curriculum, Garland claimed that the Justice Department had an interest in protecting teachers and school administrators. Not only was that untrue, that the schools were under siege, the relationships between parents and schools in the states in a state and local issues, not a federal one. Hypothetically, if a parent were to assault a teacher, it would be the what does this have to do? Yeah, so yeah, I think it's just bullshit what's happening. That they should, if you're gonna do it, you're gonna protest where you're allowed to. Not trying to use mob mentality to get your way. But that's all the left knows how to do. That's all the communists know how to do. Protest and cry all the time because they're not getting the way that people's actually following the Constitution because nowhere in the Constitution says you have a right to privacy. The fourth and fifth it's only for federal government, not for states, not for private individual companies. So what do you guys think? Should there be all those protesters arrested for breaking the law? Let me know down below. And do you think Biden's should be held accountable for not enforcing the law? Please let me know down below. And if you made it this far, consider hit the like button and subscribe. And as always, be good, have fun, stay safe. Bye bye.